Okay, cool. So this video, let's cover piano strokes. Piano strokes are approached with the same heft and mallet weight as the forte strokes, just truly at this low height. So beginner players really struggle with truly playing that low to the instrument, just being willing to go and play like that. So think of it as kind of a 1-inch punch or like a knock, just like so. And then another thing to think about is kind of the rubber pencil trick. You've maybe seen that, where you do that wiggly thing like this, and you can kind of let the mallet flop in the hand like that when you play piano. Only a little bit, it barely works. You can also think about like where in the hand the stroke is happening. I tend to sense it right in the middle. And you could also think of it just a push down on the perch, you know, so you've got your perch there. Think of it as like just a little push through the pointer like that. But ultimately, there's a little flex in the hand like this, and I feel it across the middle of my hand. So try and locate that for yourself.